I'm assuming you guys downloaded the Anthropic Claude desktop app and got super excited to get into the hype of Claude Code, but then you guys hit a wall. Git is required for local sessions. Download Git for Windows or set the Claude Code Git bash path environment variable to the full path of bash.exe from your Git or Windows install, then restart app. A lot of people have been asking about this. I noticed I've been looking through forums and people are asking things like how to install Git for Claude Code, how to set up Git for Windows for Claude Code. Claude Code was unable to find Claude Code Git bash path. So let's show you how to very quickly set this up. Step 1, this one kind of goes without saying. Download Claude and make sure you are on the Pro plan so you have access to Claude Code. Then just log into your account. Moving on to step 2, in the Claude Code tab, download BitBash by pressing this link here. And obviously just get the most up-to-date version right here. Now inside the installer, I just flew by all these. Just go with all the recommended settings and you'll be fine. Now to the issue a bunch of people are having. You'll notice even after installing Git Bash, when you launch Git Bash and then you launch Claude, the same issue shows. So what's next? Well, moving on to step 3, let's set up the environmental variables. Go to your C drive and where you have Git installed. Most likely it will be under Program Files and then Git. And then in the Git folder, open up the bin folder. Now, just keep this folder open for a second and search up environmental variables. You can see this thing right here pops up, press it, and from here, press environmental variables. Now let's go back to the folder we had opened up and copy the path. Go to add new variable and under variable name, type Claude underscore code underscore bit underscore bash underscore path. And under variable value, copy the path folder and paste it here, except add this to the end, /bash.exe. Then press OK and then press OK again. Now we can close everything up. The hard part's done. Now it's time to restart the PC to make sure the install Git for Claude Code works. Now that we're back after a restart, let's do something quick before we open up Claude. It'll make sense in a second. Create a folder anywhere you want and call it Claude. Then another folder inside that folder and call it Sessions. Now I can say you're finally done. All you have to do is open Claude's desktop app and then under Claude Code, press and select folder and choose the sessions folder we just created. And you'll see that Git for Windows install is complete and Claude Code works perfectly. So that's about it. You could go ahead and use all the crazy tools that Claude Code will give you. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this has helped. Expect a bunch of Claude Code tutorials on my channel coming soon. I'm really going to help you level up your content creation game seamlessly with the just crazy tools that Claude Code has. So anyways, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this helped. Peace.